Indian markets continue to remain robust with a decidedly positive bias. This is being supported by the positive tailwind from the global markets, expectation of continuous fiscal relief in US at least up to the upcoming presidential elections is keeping the US markets and the liquidity there positive territory, and that is definitely helping the risk on mood for the global investors. India definitely is a beneficiary of the risk on mood of the global investors, and we expect this trend to continue for the next couple of months at least. Locally, Indian market post good monsoon is expecting some recovery in the coming months. Also, the lockdown and stop and start method of lockdown probably has ended in July. We can look forward to a better management of the pandemic in the coming days, which will support economic activity to resume in the right earnest. And these expectations are again keeping the market buoyant. The news flow around vaccine and treatment of the pandemic is also encouraging, and that is definitely getting reflected in the pharma company stock prices and also generally in the economic parameters. Specific stocks and sectors, there is definitely a tailwind behind the metals. The Chinese restocking as well as performance of Chinese economy is encouraging the metal prices in the global market, and that's having a rub-on effect on metal prices in India. We believe that steel prices, particularly efficient steel manufacturers like Tata Steel, should benefit, and investors can look at acquiring after the recent correction post their quarterly results. We also believe that Indian fertilizer companies should benefit on account of the good monsoon and good income in the rural economy. So companies like Coromandel International can definitely be looked at current levels. FMCG and consumer durable companies having good distribution network in rural India will benefit. So an Emami, Bajaj Electricals can be looked at from an investor's portfolio point of view. Overall, we believe that market will retain its buoyancy in the coming week, and investors can look forward to continue building their portfolio for the future.